The new NEXT R34 generator has been specifically designed to be used by OEM companies on automation lines and special machines. The multi-frequency technology of our patent makes it incredibly versatile and powerful, being able to be used with up to 7 converters of 30, 35, and 40 kHz of frequency, and reaching up to 1500 watts of power. Its versatility makes it perfect to use in all fields of application involving ultrasonic technology, from welding thermoplastic materials to cutting synthetic fabrics and food products, both continuously and step by step. In addition to a user-friendly and intuitive menu interface, the generator can be controlled by PLC through Modbus RS485 communication module. The proprietary software developed by SONIC ITALIA allows you to supervise up to 8 parameters and all alarms in real time. The integrated digital oscilloscope gives the possibility to view the processes live, providing the first step of quality control.